back in the patch of sun I see. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning and I am packing up and getting ready to head to the lake for the weekend. It's so nice out today. I'm wondering if we're going to be able to maybe go out tonight on the boat, because I just really want to enjoy this nice weather, because I feel like, I know I said this yesterday, I feel like the fall is coming really soon. And I absolutely love the fall, but I don't like the freezing cold weather and the very dark nights and losing sunlight so early, all of those things. I just feel like last winter was never ending, so I'm not ready to jump back into it. So I just really want to absorb every day of summer that we have left right now. So after I finish packing up for the lake, I need to head to the grocery store. I have an online order that I made late last night, so I need to pick that up around lunchtime. And then what I ended up doing was I double grocery shopped. So I shopped for our weekend at the lake, but I also shopped to have food here at home when we get back. So I'm gonna have to pick it up, bring it into the kitchen and sort through everything, and then put everything back into the car that is going to the lake with us today. So that is the plan, and I am going to bring you guys along. I'm sorry I'm not going to be sharing the entire weekend, but it is what it is, and I'm sure you guys are okay with that. So I will share today as much as I can, and then I will try to upload, edit, get everything out to you guys this afternoon before we head out to the lake. So that is the plan, and I will bring you guys along. I finished this book this morning when I was having my coffee. If you're looking for a light read, just something comical and funny, and you just want a good laugh, definitely get this book. And this book is especially special to me because it is my only Persephone book, and that's pretty cool for me anyway. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Persephone book collection, but they're sold in, I think, London, and they're more known for their gray covers, just their basic gray covers, but they also have these beautiful illustrations from the original editions, and that's what I prefer. You can place an online order, but the shipping is insane, but I was lucky enough to find this one used. Here's everything that I'm packing up to bring to the lake with us. I'm kind of overpacking this time because since we're going consecutive weekends, I feel like if I overpack now, maybe I will not need to pack at all next time around, and that would be great. So I'm just gonna bring a whole bunch of stuff, and hopefully I'll be good to go for the rest of the month. So this is crazy and something I'm not used to. No one is home. I am the only person in this house right now besides the cat. The dogs are not even here. And it's only been about 20 minutes, but let me tell you, I just accomplished in that 20 minutes what would normally take me 2 weeks to do with a house full of people. So it's just so weird to think this was my everyday life when the kids went to school. I always have Jim around, but the kids can really be a constant distraction, and the dogs as well for that matter. So I mean, I love my family and I love having them around, and all of this togetherness has just been absolutely wonderful. But having the ability to take on a task without interruption, it's a dream right now. It really is. So I'm just gonna keep going with it for as long as I have. Addison had a friend sleep over last night, and they went to bed so late and got up so early. They made pancakes. They made pink pancakes, which I joined them for breakfast this morning. And now Madison is over her house and they're baking cookies. They're just like on a baking kick today, which is fine because it's allowing me to get lots of things done. So it's been kind of wonderful, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I'm gonna get back to just doing things. I am just puttering. The art of puttering is the best thing ever. When you just kind of roam around your house and put this away and put that away and tidy up and just tweak certain areas of the house, to have a full day of that, I would be in a really good place. Just kind of piecing things back together that have fallen apart since quarantine, since March. So that is what I am doing, and then I'm gonna be headed out soon to pick up the groceries. I've been kind of busy watering all of the things. I watered all of the backyard plants, all of the front porch plants, all of the plants inside the house. I just wanted to make sure I got it done because, like I said, everything is dying and I'm trying to keep it alive. And since I'm going to be away for a few days, I had to water the heck out of it this morning before I left. So I just had lunch, just had a quick peanut butter and jelly sandwich, my go-to lunch, and now I am headed to the grocery store to pick up a whole bunch of groceries. But before I do that, I actually have to load up my car because I want everything to be pushed in the back and the groceries in the front so that when we do get to the lake house, they could go right into the refrigerator and I don't have to unload other things first. So that is what I'm doing now. It's so funny, whenever I'm super busy and doing stuff around the house, which is most of the time, I just look at the pets and I see how relaxed they are, and I mean, really, they're just living the life, aren't they? Just lounging about all day, every day. Life is good. We overbought things for Emily's room on campus. It wasn't quite big enough for some of the things that we purchased. So now I'm debating if I want to repurpose this in Jim's closet, which is always an absolute disaster, or if I should return it, because I think especially this would be really helpful because it holds a lot of things in a small area. And I always find that these are great organizational items to have, these shelf organizers. So I don't know if it's going to make sense in his closet, but I am still holding on to it because that is going to be a project that I plan on tackling this fall. You guys may have noticed this in the background of some of the videos because we still haven't put it up yet, but look at how nice this gate is. It's made out of metal. I don't know if you can kind of see it in here. And I think it was less than $50 at Marshall's. I picked it up a couple of weeks ago, and we get these plastic gates that just kind of click shut. This is our probably fourth one. The dogs just, they're always jumping on it and the springs pop out and things break and the bars have broken before, and it's just been kind of a nightmare. And this one, you can see on this side, the tab is already busted out. Some of the springs came out. So I know it's only a matter of time. So when I saw this for less than 50 bucks, I had to grab it because these are well over $100. I want to say they're like 120, 150, some ridiculous amount of money, and they just go through them like crazy. So that's the story behind that, in case you guys were wondering what that huge box unopened in our kitchen is. Oh, the price is on it, $39.99. We'll have to see how well it works out, but if it works out well, what's a great deal? It looks like today's video is going to include a huge grocery haul because I just picked up a lot of stuff. It's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was hoping to get out of here early today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But that's okay because Jim's working until at least 5:30 anyway, so we can't really do anything as a family until after then. So as long as I make it there by around 5 o'clock tonight, I think we'll be good. I am going to unpack all of the groceries and then I'm going to separate them, what's coming with us to the lake and what's staying here for when we get home, and I will show you everything that I picked up today. All right, I haven't separated it yet, but I just put everything out so I can see what I have, and then I'm gonna figure out what's coming with me right now. But this is what we have: cinnamon rolls, cream cheese, yogurt, some eggs, some more Jello snacks, the strawberry Jello, and then the chocolate vanilla swirl, chicken breast, hot dogs, and chopped meat for tacos and for burgers. And then I have milk, one to bring with me and one to keep home, some coconut water, some more of the Suddenly salad, more fruit snacks, and applesauce. And then I have the Breakfast Essentials by Carnation, and Tostitos salsa, as well as a couple of bags of Tostitos, 2 bags of Doritos, some raspberries, blueberries, and bananas. And then I have pork and beans, green beans, ketchup, and then these mustards I already had in the pantry, but I'm gonna bring those with us as well. And then over here, I have some Fritos. This is not what I ordered. I guess they substituted the stuff that I normally order, but this is totally different. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not. The other chickpeas that I usually get are the honey roasted and they're sweet. And this is classic hummus. So that's kind of not even the same thing. But anyway, they just substituted it without me knowing. We have some Chips Ahoy cookies, some more Scooby snacks, and a couple of boxes of Cheez-Its, Kashi cereal, Frosted Cheerios, the Smart Puffs, and the Pirate Booty. I have some all free and clear laundry detergent, the Simply Cheetos, more of the chip peas, and then I have some cold cuts to make sandwiches at the lake. So I just have yellow American cheese, salami, and ham, 3 loaves of bread. A couple are gonna come with us to the lake because we do have another family that's going to be visiting. So I wanna make sure I have enough for everyone. I have hot dog rolls and hamburger rolls to barbecue and some plain bagels. And I do believe that is everything. In the trunk of my car, I have a couple of cases of water and a couple of cases of Gatorade, but I'm just keeping them in there since we will be leaving soon. I'm getting ready to put everything away, and Emily just called me. She said, I can't believe you're going to the lake house right now. And I was like, why? She was going to surprise us. Her boyfriend is on his way now to pick her up, and she was going to come here and give us a surprise visit. She's going back to campus tonight, but she has nothing to do this afternoon, and her roommate is out for the day, so she was going to come and visit us. And here we are headed out to the lake house packing up the car. So I told her I'll wait for her to get here because I want to spend some time with her. I mean, it's kind of laughable. I know. We dropped her off Monday. I went to her campus Wednesday, and here it is Friday, and she's coming here to surprise visit us. But I'm not going to tell Madison because she wants to surprise Madison. Madison has no idea, and she'll be home soon, so I have to keep it on the down low. But I'm so excited. I'm so happy I get to see her again. Clearly, I was being ridiculous with all the tears because it's okay. I mean, she's here. She's here a decent amount, so I'm so happy about that. So I guess I'm going to be leaving a little bit later than I had anticipated, but it is certainly for a really good reason. Since I'm no longer in a rush to leave, I think I'm going to do my nails because my nails are getting pretty bad. I've been loving this Color Street nail polish. These strips last forever. This manicure is probably over 2 weeks old, so it's starting to grow out, and I want to replace it. So I think I'm going to do this blue swirly polish. What is this called? I don't have the name on it any longer, but I also have an extra silver one, so I might change it up and do one of my fingers with the silver and the other ones with this cool marble, and that's what I'm going to do now. I just finished polishing my nails. It's called What Are You Up To? W-A-T-E-R, you up to. And it looks perfect with my shirt today and the theming of it. So I figured I would use up the last of my summer polishes by Color Street. Thank you guys so much for coming along today. I am going to be headed out in a little while. I just want to make sure that I have this uploaded and ready to go for you guys for Monday morning before I leave. So I hope that you enjoyed the grocery haul and the packing and the little bit that I did have to share with you guys today. I'm so excited for my visitor who will be here soon, so just still trying to keep that on the down low. But I am really, really happy with the way that the week turned out. If I look back at Monday's vlog and how torn apart I was, I feel so much better today knowing how everything this week played out, and I'm glad that you guys were along to be a part of it. And thank you so much for all of your kind words and reinforcement and just for helping me through Emily's first week at college. I really, really appreciate your friendship and your kindness always. I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend. I keep forgetting you're going to see this Monday. So I hope that you had a really great weekend. I hope that you're enjoying the end of the summer, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.